first and foremost, tell us what is Isha Foundation. I know it's very popular. It does not need any introduction, but just in case if people don't know, please tell us what is Isha Foundation and what was your role out there and why did you choose it?
Okay, very, very loaded question. Let me see how I can answer this. So, Isha Foundation is started by Sadhguru Jaggi Vasudev. I think everybody kind of knows about his work. Now, why Isha? That's again, I think that is the interesting question. So, very dear friend of mine actually went to the center in Coimbatore. He did a program and he came back raving all about it. Almost like the everybody must do it. This is great.
Okay.
I think that time I was at my trading desk and working for the prop desk. And in my head, I'm like, and I remember telling him also, I said, see, my life is really good. I don't have any issues. I'm not interested in this Baba business. Great that it worked. It worked for you. That's very good. But thanks. Then I think he said, ki, theek hai, introductory talk hai, it's free, this, that. I think that time it was a Times of India building only. I said, theek hai, matlab, if you're like so insistent, I'll come for the talk. Not enrolled for the program. He said, theek hai, koi baat nahi, you just come and hear them out once. I said, okay. Utna to karna padta hai. And I think what floored me was the simple logic of what the teacher was talking about. So I think this was my first exposure to unfiltered logic.
Not spirituality yet.
Yet
It was unfiltered
logic. And I said, okay, this is great. Maybe I should give it a shot. Like if this is what it's about, it seems great. And I enrolled for the class. This was a morning 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. batch because then I had to get to work. Somehow that night I couldn't sleep and I didn't sleep too well, I remember. So then I got up at 5 and I was like, chal, my friend is also going to be volunteering. Let me, since I'm awake only, and jaake, in my head, it was all like, this is going to be very, very disorganized, everybody. It's, like 5:30 in the morning, people are going to be running around trying to put things together. Because in the evening, I was there till 9 o'clock, so setup ekdam alag tha. I was like, ये सब chairs हटाएंगे, ये करेंगे, वो करेंगे, कितना मतलब, how much work is going to be there. I reached at 5:30. The venue was set up. There was music playing. 2 volunteers were sitting on the side in absolute silence. And I was like, ye kya hai? Because I went expecting chaos, thinking that I am going to help. And it was like, wow. Can this kind of structure exist? And so simply, it was not, that there were some 20 helpers, ye chair hata raha hai, wo kar raha hai, kuch nahi. Just 2 people sitting, the teacher sitting, everybody just sitting there and quietly meditating and doing whatever the hell they were doing. One can assume they were sitting quietly and meditating, but pata nahi, ab jo bhi hai.
Of course.
And I think that whole 1 week program experience was wonderful for me. And I think what also kind of triggered this, I never intended to be a volunteer. I never intended to take a break from like paid professional work and move to unpaid work. I never thought that, I'm going to be doing something great and change the world. I mean, I want to do great things, but not in this direction. I had never thought about it.
Not at that stage.
Not at that stage in my life. In my career, I was very happy where I was. It was never that dissatisfaction. I think, remember 2006, there were these bomb blasts that were there in the city, in the trains. Mumbai trains. I was traveling, my office was at BKC. I was traveling from Bandra station to Churchgate station. Ghar aa rahi thi main wapas.
Okay.
Now, before that, in my life, before that day, I had never run to catch a train. My funda was like, एक नहीं तो दूसरी train हर 3 मिनट में आती है. I am not running, I don't want. But I used to like hanging near the door and simply enjoying the air. I have done that. I am guilty of that. While I don't hang out, but I will stand on the side. And that day, I don't know what happened. वो कान में वो I don't remember which FM station was, वो पूरा लगा था, खाली ट्रेन था. This is a fast train from Bandra
Bandra
to
to Church.
in the opposite direction, absolutely empty, doesn't stop anywhere. Literally flies, it gets you from like Bandra to
25
Churchgate.
minutes, 20
No,
minutes.
no, this is where it doesn't stop between Bombay Central and Churchgate also. So then it gets
18 to 20
18, 17 and a half to 18 minutes.
yeah.
That time I had it down to a
Yeah.
science की ये ट्रेन पकड़ो इतने बजे पहुँच. I just thought कि चलो अंदर बैठते हैं, and for some reason I didn't even sit by the window. I sat बीच में, मतलब जहाँ से वो एंटर करके वो कंपार्टमेंट में बैठते हैं ना, the edge of the seat. I sat there. I don't know why, what I was, पता नहीं क्या था. When the first blast went off in the parallel train, माहिम स्टेशन का जो blast था, ये ट्रेन इधर से आ रही थी और ये, if that day I was standing at the door, I don't know what would have happened. Because
So it was just in the
it is
train
parallel.
which was going.
ये full speed में जा रही थी, क्रॉसिंग माहिम, यहाँ पे वो ट्रेन रुकी, जो भी हुआ. If I was standing at the door, I don't know, maybe I would have missed it, maybe I wouldn't have, पता नहीं क्या होता. Like, and because I had music full blast in my ears, it kind of cut down the impact, sound impact also. And this lady sitting in opposite me is going, bomb blast, and मैं सुन नहीं रहा है कि क्या बोल रही है. एक तो ट्रेन
Lip sync
में,
जैसा.
हाँ ये आंटियाँ मतलब काफ़ी कुछ बोलती है, तो one just has to, then I was like, हाँ, the bomb blast, and I was like, okay. And this train, या वो ड्राइवर को मानना पड़ेगा, it could have derailed because the speed at which it was going and the impact of the blast, somewhere between Mahim and Matunga, it's managed to stop finally. Then it was like train से निकल के चलो. अब my life, I have never gotten off the train except for the platform. कभी नहीं उतरी हूँ मैं. Like not even before कि चलो यहाँ साइड से.
Your train stopped in between two
वो जो
stations.
माही माटुंगा के बीच में
बीच
वो
में जो-
बड़े सारे ट्रैक्स है ना, वहाँ पे. And I didn't know where to go because this side they were not letting you go towards Mahim. First I thought मैं माहिम चल के माहिम स्टेशन जाती हूँ और वहाँ से टैक्सी पकड़ के घर चले जाऊँगी. Till then in my head I was very oblivious कि ठीक है कुछ हुआ होगा, सिलेंडर ब्लास्ट, ये ब्लास्ट, क्या पता, मतलब till you don't see it, you don't realize the magnitude
Then
of
you
it.
understand the bomb blast, the terrorist.
वो बहुत बाद में हुआ है मुझे. And then there was two ladies in the train. One guy came वहाँ पे, two ladies in my compartment from the Basti on the side, the slum on the side, and I said, we'll drop you till outside. So I went, and you can't walk through those gullies because only one person can walk. So there were four of us walking in a line, एक हाथ पकड़ के एक दूसरे का. I didn't know where I was going. I wasn't sure whether we are actually going to get off onto the other side. मुझे कुछ पता नहीं था. I walked through a slum for the first time. Like to this extent, like पूरा अंदर से बाहर. तब भी मुझे ये था कि ठीक है, this is like Mahim station का other side. I'll just take a cab to Dadar. What I was thinking, I don't know. मैं वहाँ से ट्रेन पकड़ के मैं चले जाऊँगी. It's okay. I got into a cab. There was one other lady who needed to go to Dadar. वो थी तो वो भी साथ में कैब में आ गई. And we started going. Then we realized, then we could hear the other two blasts going. तब तक भी, I think it in my head it was something I didn't register. Then the cab guy said माटुंगा पे कि मैडम इधर भी कुछ लग रहा है कि आप ऐसे, ठीक है आप ऐसा करो, साइंस से आप चर्चगेट ले लो. Like I don't want to get into this now. Outside Sion Hospital, I saw not even an ambulance, a police van laden with injured and bodies. That is when the magnitude of what has happened struck me. I think within that, I think about 3-4 months, I kind of quit my job, not because again I wanted to volunteer or anything, but I felt that maybe I should take a break. ये कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया है, like to just keep working post this also. So in about I think 2008, I was like, अब थोड़ा, let's just take a break. I mean, it went on for a while, I couldn't. And then I was doing nothing, so then again some friends.
That those images were hitting you. I mean, they were disturbing you.
It was very, very disturbing, and just the fact that I could have been there. It is not that something that I could have prevented. It was just pure chance कि उस दिन एक तो मैं ट्रेन भाग के पकड़ी मैंने, ऊपर से I was not hanging outside the door. Then this guy motorman managed to apply the brake.
अगर वो ट्रेन भाग के नहीं पकड़ी होती दूसरी कोई नॉर्मल,
पता नहीं से I don't know like that's what I cannot say for sure कि क्या हुआ होता. Maybe it would have been better कि शायद ये कुछ होता ही नहीं. Again, I'm not saying that, no,
बहुत
that
possibilities
lots of possibilities. And then I was not able to wrap my head around that. Like I just needed a break to think about it a little instead of trying to hide from it कि कुछ नहीं हुआ है. Because मुझे physically तो कुछ नहीं हुआ था. I was absolutely fine. There was nothing. So I think I just decided to take a break, and that's when I was still doing the Isha Yoga practices, the meditation and kriyas and everything. That's a different thing. I mean, I still do them. I find it it is a cornerstone in my life of sorts. There. And I think, like all organizations, if they figure that somebody has time, they will call you. Very subtly, why don't you do this? Why don't you try this? Can you do something? I said, ठीक है. अब घर पे ही बैठे हैं. Anyway.
So you were in Coimbatore.
No, I was mostly based out of Bombay. I traveled to Coimbatore a lot.
Okay. So what was your role? मतलब in volunteering, you have to be at the Coimbatore that.
Not really. I mean,
place?
there are different ways, right? I volunteered to set up programs in the city, in Bombay, fundraise. I would travel to the Isha Yoga Center in Coimbatore to volunteer for specific programs. काफी कुछ किया मैंने.
Okay. So it was a mix.
It was
of
a
everything.
mix of everything. So yeah, I mean that's
You
how
met
it happened.
Sadhguru?
Yes, I've met him.
Okay. How is he as a person? Like,
I
what
don't
is
know.
it? I've never met. I've seen in many interviews, but
It's just wonderful being around him. Like it's at a very basic level. कुछ लोगों से मिलो तो अच्छा लगता है. Just to be around them, whether you speak to them directly or not. I think for me it was just that.
okay.
अच्छा लगा.
अभी अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे से बात.
बिल्कुल नहीं तो मैं इतनी बातें नहीं कर रही होती.